Disraeli Gears. Crime of the Century. Rumours. Revolver. Nevermind. The rise and fall of Ziggy, Stardust, and the spiders from Mars. Queen Roman II. Led Zeppelin. News of the world. Unknown pleasures. Animals. Led Zeppelin Roman IV. More Led Zeppelin Roman IV 138 of 3,110 The greatest albums of all time 1 of 585 The greatest guitar rock albums of all time 5 of 116 What are the best diamond certified albums of all time? Wish you were here. Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. Abbey Road. The Dark Side of the Moon.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.